Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. This is Unit 2, Lesson 2, Long Vowels. Arabic has three long vowels which are represented in three alphabet letters, Alif, Wow, and Ya. In Lesson 1, we've learned the first long vowel Alif that sounds as A. In this lesson, we'll cover the other two long vowels in Arabic, which are represented by alphabet letters Wow and Ya. Wow stands for the long vowel oo, and Ya stands for the long vowel E. The name of this letter is wow. This letter wow represents three functions in Arabic. The first of which is as a long vowel, the second as a semi-consonant, and the third as a seat of Hamza. In this lesson, we're concerned with its first function as a long vowel, and the other functions will be discussed later. This letter represents the second of the three long vowels in Arabic. It's pronounced like the exclamation of delight, woo. Practice saying this sound and stretch it out just like you would say the exclamation. Do not be afraid to exaggerate vowel length, and remember that the pronunciation of wow, like that of alif, should be twice as long as normal English vowels. Ooh. Listening exercise number 6. Listen to and repeat the words containing wow as oo long vowel. Give its full length in pronunciation. Number 1. Toot. Number 2. Taboot. Number 3. Thuboot. Number 4. Tunis. Number 5. Tahbu. Writing wow. Like alif, this letter does not connect to any following letter, and therefore its shapes do not vary much. To write independent or initial wow, start on the line, loop clockwise to the left and up, then swing down into the tail, which should dip well below the line. Copy the example. When writing wow connected to a previous letter, the joining segment leads into the beginning point of the loop. Copy the example. Now practice writing and pronouncing the word toot. Toot. Drill number 4. Dictation. Listen to the following list of words, then write each word you hear in your paper. You will hear each word twice. Then check your answers at the end of this video. Number 1. Fab. Fab. Number 2. Toot. Toot. Number 3. Tube. Tube. Number 4. Taboot. Taboot. The name of this letter is Ya. This letter Ya represents three functions in Arabic. The first of which is as a long vowel, the second as a semi-consonant, and the third as a seat of Hamza. In this lesson, we're concerned with its first function as a long vowel. This letter Ya represents the last of the three long vowels. The sound of E in beep. Remember that this is a long vowel. Pronounce this sound for twice as long as you would pronounce E in words like beep, street. Practice by imitating the sound of a honking car horn. Beep. Exaggerate it to focus on hearing and pronouncing vowel length. Listening exercise number 7. Pronouncing E. Listen to the sound of E in the following words and repeat, giving it full length in pronunciation. Number 1. تثبتي. Number 2. ليبي. Number 3. تثبيت. Number 4. To be. Writing yeah. As you can see, the independent and final forms of ya differ slightly from the initial and medial forms. Like ba, ta, and tha, which it resembles in its initial and medial shapes, this letter is a connecting one. All shapes of ya retain the two dots below, but in handwriting, the two dots underneath are usually drawn as a short horizontal bar, just like the dots on top of ta. To write independent ya, start above the line and curve slightly upwards and around in an S-like shape. Continue below the line into a wide flat curve as shown, and make sure to bring the tail all the way back over the line. When ya occurs at the beginning or in the middle of a word, it takes the same shape as ta, except that its two dots are below the body of the letter. In the final position, start writing from the connecting segment on the line and then make a small hook into the body. In this position, the letter is almost entirely below the line and has only a small curved hook before dipping into the wide flat curve. Practice copying and pronouncing E and bring the tail all the way back above the line. Drill number 5. Dictation. Listen to the following list of words, then write each word you hear in your paper. You will hear each word twice. Then check your answers at the end of this video. Number 1. Thubi. Thubi. Number 2. Beti. Beti. Number 3. To be. To be. Number 4. Betty. Betty. Answers of drill number 4, dictation. Number 1. Thab. Number 2. Toot. Number 3. Tob. Number 4. Taboot. Answers of drill 5, dictation. Number 1. Thubi. Number 2. Beti. Number 3. To be. Number 4. Betty. Now we've learned the 3 long vowels in Arabic: a, u, e. In lesson 3, we'll continue to learn their corresponding 3 short vowels: a, u, e. See you then. مع السلامة.